Hi, welcome to Bota Welding and Cutting Equipment Company. We just introduced the 7x7 welding column and boom. Now, I'd like to introduce you in the same line of 7x7. A customer also ordered a feed-up rotator station. This is a 150-ton driven and idler rotator on the traveling rails. Please pay attention to the plate thickness and the machining quality. After machining, we have painting. We have several layers painting. Look at these transducers and the motors. Look at this wheel. The wheel is 300 millimeters wide with a polyurethane cover. This is remember, this is a feed-up rotator station, 150 ton. This is the idler hydraulic fitting up rotator with the hydraulic cylinder underneath. This is the control box. Hand pendant. In the welding line, there's another 120-ton self-aligning rotator also on the rails. This is an extra large wheel. This is a 400 millimeter wheel. See? Just to see the craftsmanship, the high quality for wind turbine tower production. So if you are interested, if you are willing to produce high quality wind tower pipeline, please contact me. My name is Bobby. At the bottom information.